Okay, so something I've come across recently in Unity is that if you find some assets that you've either found on the asset store or online somewhere else, when you import them, the models are there, you can drag them into your scene, but they show up as like a pink object, meaning you can see the model in the mesh, but the material hasn't loaded and isn't displaying. So I'm going to go ahead and install this asset package here, which is a bunch of rocks. I can see that its latest release was in 2018, so a good 7 years ago, or coming up 7 years ago, compared to the obviously February 2025 just now. And I'm got high hopes that it's going to exemplify what I'm talking about in this video. So we're going to go ahead and add that to my asset manager. And that's that done, and then we'll switch into Unity. You can see I've just got like a basic scene set up. I'm going to go to Window, My Assets, and then let's just wait for it to refresh. So rock package there. I'm going to go ahead and hit download. Okay, and then import them to my project as well. You may have already obviously got to this stage, but I'm just going to go through and show you from start to finish that it will happen on these, what I thought was just random assets, but it seems to be ones that are a lot older. So if we go into the prefabs, you can see there that these are pink, and even down in the window here to show you the model itself, you can see that they're pink. So what you need to do is go over to your materials, and you need to highlight all of the materials here, and then you need to go up to edit, go down to rendering, go into materials, and then convert selected built-in materials to URP. Hit proceed. Give it a few seconds. Now it knows that these materials, or it knows how to display them properly. These ones have kind of stayed pink, but I think that might just be because you can see down here in the preview, it looks fine. So it might just be Unity messing up. But now if we go back to the prefabs, sometimes if I do like a Control S to save, these may refresh. Let's wait for them to load in. There we go. And now you can see that the materials, so the objects themselves, the prefabs, are not pink anymore, and it's going to allow you to bring them into your scene and hopefully, there we go, display the material. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.